Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to border Thicken of invoice in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel. To first I'm going to add here the invoice template. So go to the file tab and here the home option. You can see here the some template. To just click on the more templates and just drag below. You can search here your templates. So these are the some categories of template: business, personal, planners, list, budget, chart and calendars. So I'm going to search here the invoice template. So I simply write here the invoice and press the enter key, and you can see the all invoice templates here. So you just drag below, you can see the all invoice here. So simply I select here the simple invoice and click on the create, and that's it. Your invoice template is added in Excel. Now I just drag below, you can see here the one table showing, and here I'm going to thicken these borders of table to highlight on when you print this invoice copy. The thicken border is showing this table to highlight it. Okay, so let's see. Before that I show you to press to I just press here the control P, and I show you here the preview of this invoice. You can see here the border is not showing the highlighted. Okay, then I just click on the back option. Now I select this table to thicken this table border. Just select it and just right click of the mouse and click on the format cell. In format cell you can see the fourth tab is a border. Just click on the border tab. After that here the line style option showing. Okay, the selected border is showing here. It's mean this border is showing on this table. Now I want the thicken border for this table, so I select this thicken border. You can see the selection here. After that just click on the outline. You can see here this is a preview. Okay, when you click on the outline you can see the outline line apply. Okay, when you click on the inside you can see inside is line showing. Okay, after that just click on OK, and that's it. You can see the border showing the thicken. Okay, same as I select this area, right click on format cell. In borders select the thicken border, outline inside and check the preview. After that just click on OK, and that's it. You can see the border showing the thicken. Okay, and now you can easily print it invoice. I just press the control P and I show you. So you can see the border showing the thicken. Okay, I just close back and I show you here. See the invoice, and if you want to outside border also, just simply select the full invoice. So I simply select here and go to the home tab. In font group have a borders option. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can see this is the option thick outside border. Just click on it and that's it. Now press the control P and you can see the outside thicken border also showing. Okay, when you print this inwards it's look like different. Okay, it's highlight the description and your item details all it with the help of these thicken borders. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.